Cicero Pro Marco Marcello, Episode 17. Nam bellicas laudes solent quidam extenuardere urbis, easque de trahare ducibus, communicardere cum multis, ne propriae sint imperdatorum. As Cicero begins this portion, he uses nam, which is a synonym of enim, and we could say of the Greek gar. Although unlike gar and enim, nam is not postpositive. It can come first in its clause, as it does here. It explains what comes before, so if you want to know what comes before, then you'll need to check video number 16 for the context. And now Cicero says, for the praise that belongs to acts of war, certain men are in the habit of minimizing or diminishing by their words, and these, meaning the laudes, they are in the habit of detrahare, withdrawing from the generals, or subtracting from the leaders, ducibus, also of sharing them with many other individuals. And why do they do this? Ne sint. So this is going to be, on my interpretation, enuntiatum, that is clause, finale. It's going to be a purpose clause, enuntiatum finale, actually negativum. That is, it's going to be a negative purpose clause. So as the sentence unfolds, we have solent as the main verb. There's only one other verb, and that is sint, which is in the subordinate clause, the negative purpose clause. Solent, of course, is second conjugation, soleo, solere, and we could say it means mos est. There is a custom, it is the habit. Certain persons, quidam, this is masculine plural nominative, and is the subject. This is how you express something anonymously in Latin. So Cicero might have in mind the identity of these persons. They may in fact be specific persons, but he's not going to say who they are. Some people typically diminish extenuare or explain away. I might take extenuare verbis as explain away the praise or the credit that's due in warfare. Bellicas laudes, feminine plural and accusative, laudes the object of extenuare. Then we have verbis, neuter plural, and ablative of instrument, ablativus instrumenti, diminish in words. And what else do? They detrahare, they take away these praises, eos. Notice that eos is feminine plural accusative because its antecedent is laudes. They take them away from the generals, ducibus, and this is going to be masculine plural and dative. And finally, they share them, communicardere, with many people, communicardere. So we see that solent is patterning with 1, 2, 3 different infinitives. And notice how these are arranged. It occurs to me. This is first declension, extenuardere. This is third declension, detrahare. And this is once again first declension, communicare. So there is a nice chiasmus or an ABA word arrangement there. Multis, masculine plural, and this is going to be a associative ablative, ablative of accompaniment. Ablativus socii is what we would call this. And now if we ask the question, cur, why do they extenuare the laudes verbis? Why do they detrahare eos, meaning laudes, from the generals, the commanders? Why do they communicardere, share those praises with many, distribute them with many? They do this, ne sint, in order that they not be propriae. Propriae, feminine plural and nominative, again because it's referencing laudes, that they not be the particular domain of the commanders, the generals, imperatorum, masculine, plural, and genitive.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.